Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you a demo of the emwin graphics which comes with the MCU Expresso SDK. Let's now click File and open the workspace where we have the emwin demo, and here we have the emwin GUI demo. Let me open this. Let's wait until the project loads. It's loading. As usual, we have here the workspace and the main emwin GUI file is here, and here we have the main page code and the page 1 code and the page 2 code. So it's a multi-page code where we can add our own, and then we have the radio button and draw area and other such components included. And we can see at the top the libraries of these components are being included. We have the GUI header file and the emwin graphics header file and the other components header file. And these are the code snippets we have, and the main touch control goes over here. When user touches, the control is being passed. Let's now download and debug. Let's wait for the file to be downloaded into the MX RT1050 AV kit. And we have now entered the debug mode. The control is currently here. If you press F10, it will move to the next line. And now I click the play button for the program to continue. We can also click this button to stop debugging. Let me now stop debugging and show you the output in the hardware. And when the program is being uploaded, we have a screen like this in the hardware. We have the sliders over here, and the response are very quick. And as you can see, as I move, you can see an output immediately. This is an example for the different shapes and the draw area. Using this, we can create our own GUI. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel to stay tuned on more updates on this road test.